Have you ever wished your money could grow without you consistently having to manage it? Introducing mortgage note investing, a powerful strategy used by savvy investors to generate consistent passive income. When someone buys a home, they usually borrow money from the bank, and in return, they sign a mortgage note. That note is a promise to repay the loan over time, with interest. But here's the game changer. You can actually buy that note, meaning you step into the shoes of the bank. You become the lender. When you invest in mortgage notes, you're not dealing with tenants, maintenance calls, or property management. You're simply collecting payments from the borrower, just like a bank would. As a note holder, you collect monthly payments from the borrower. And the best part, these payments are often backed by real estate, giving you the security. Even if the borrower stops paying, you have options just like any other lender. Mortgage note investing provides a unique opportunity to generate consistent cash flow while minimizing many of the risks associated with traditional real estate investing. Whether you're looking for predictable monthly income, long-term wealth, or a way to diversify your portfolio outside of the stock market, mortgage notes offer a compelling option. For those looking for a hands-off investment strategy, mortgage notes are the perfect fit. You can be the bank and earn income from the property without dealing with the headaches that comes with ownership. At Ritual Notes, we help investors navigate the world of mortgage note investing with confidence and clarity. We provide the tools and the training you need to make smart, informed decisions that can lead to financial freedom. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? It's easier than you think. If you have any questions, want to learn more about mortgage note investing, just comment down below. We're here to help and guide you through the process.